Okay, questions 3 to 6. I'm interested in collecting data on students taking statistics. I have 4 possible ways I'm thinking about choosing my sample. Each of the situations state the sampling procedure. From a list of all students enrolled in statistics, I choose the 10th student and every 5th student after that. That's systematic. Okay? And you are looking when you see the 3rd, the 5th, the 100th, the 10th, right? That's always systematic. You have a system in place. There are 5 sections of statistics. I randomly select 2 sections and include all students from those 2 sections in my study. That's cluster. So remember, when you're talking about cluster, your clusters are equal. Okay? There's nothing special about any of those particular sections, right? We consider them all to be equal. I would like to examine how grade level affects my data. I randomly select 10 freshmen, 10 sophomores, 10 juniors, 10 seniors. That is stratified random. Okay? The groups matter. We want to look at particular groups being represented. That makes it stratified. I choose to include only the 2 sections of statistics that I teach. That's convenience. Okay? And then the other one that you may have to know, or that you should know for the test, there are 5. The other one is simple random. Okay, so that's not on here, but you must also know simple random. Okay, so 5 that you must know. And you must know them by name. They are not going to be listed anywhere on the test. Questions 7 to 8. Researchers recruited runners and assessed their running speed over 5K. None of the runners recruited had ever done any speed work. They were randomly assigned to 2 groups. One group continued with their normal training regimen. The other underwent special training that involved speed work. They found that only the runners who incorporated speed work improved their 5K times. Is this an observational study or an experiment? This is an experiment. And for us, for this particular test, you're specifically looking that they were randomly assigned to groups. Okay, that's going to be your key that tells you something is an experiment. If you see that the subjects were randomly assigned to groups, you can assume that it's an experiment. Okay? The next question then asks, is it reasonable to conclude that incorporating speed work into your running routine can improve your 5K time? Yes, because experiments can show cause and effect. So again, there's going to be a question just like this on the test, and what I'm really looking for you to understand is that experiments can show cause and effect. If you answered this question that this was an observational study, so it's observational, that cannot show cause and effect. So you're definitely going to have a question like this on the test where I ask you whether or not this is an experiment or an observational study. And my next question will be, does this show that one thing causes another? If you'd answered it's observational, you're automatically going to say no, it cannot show cause and effect. If you answered experiment, you're going to say yes, it can show cause and effect.